Here it is. Here it is. Watch me.
Talk to me, girl.
He's so dorky, but he's so cool.
You were so sick. I had no idea you could dance.
It's whatever.
What are you talking about? Why don't you dance here?
I can freestyle, right? But I didn't get in here for dance. I mean, they didn't think I could do choreography. So, but now I'm all about lighting design.